Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. We're here on the beautiful tropical island of Got Chang. We're actually on the other side of the island at a pretty popular Thai restaurant called Salapet. We're actually sleeping here tonight. We've got a beautiful little bungalow on the water. Comfortable bed. Got a workstation if you want to work. Wow, look at this bathroom. It's like a whole nother room in here. Oh. And but not too many fish. Maybe later. I caught one. What? Huh? I know I foul hooked them, so what? Don't judge me. Anyway, we're here to eat some awesome seafood. Some of the best seafood to be had comes from this restaurant. So when you come to Chang, you gotta come here too. Did I know what I said? I don't know why I do that. When you come to Got Chang, you have to come visit Salapet restaurant. So anyway, let's go see what's on the menu. Well, we've got some special guests here today, thankfully, so I could have somebody help me with the meal. Anyway, we're going to be teamed up on we're ordered a bunch of crab and some fish. And this is his beautiful wife, Jet. She's in the process of still ordering more food. And of course, Paige. Anyway, cheers. Okay, got a couple of dishes. This is hoi shell, but it's in Thai language. It is
hoi shell pad cha.
Pak cha. And what? This is pak cha.
No, hoi shell pad cha.
Okay.
Mussel.
Oh, okay, that's a mussel, and that, of course, is a that looks like a Chinese broccoli. But what's the dish called?
Kana pla kem.
Yeah, your mom makes that all the time. Kana pla kem. Oh, the left of the drinking beer. Here we have yum tale. Yum is a spicy salad, and tale is the ocean, but it's a mixture of squid, shrimp, and octopus, and some fresh vegetables. Some fresh vegetables. Here we have what's called in Thai pla kapong, which is a fried. It's a sea bass, but it's pla kapong toit, which is fried sea bass. And this is kind of a, this goes with it like a kind of a dipping sauce. It's a young mango with carrot and shallots, and it's very good. Well, you definitely, when you eat seafood, you've got to get tom yam goong. Tom yam goong is a spicy, sour shrimp soup, and it's just, it's awesome. Tom yam goong. Okay, this is what we came for. Crab. Crab. Let's see how well it's cooked. You know, crab, when it's cooked really good, you could just crack it and pull it right out of the shell. There it is. Ma'au.
ไม่เอานะครับ
Ma'au. This is only got a little bit of meat, but it's cooked good.
Wow, he's out there casting a net.
Well, that's it. Everything is gone. Everything is finished. How was it? Good?
Very good.
Anyway, when you guys come to Got Chang, make sure you check out this place. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next No Time to Be Hungry video. Bye.